Welcome and thank you for joining. Today we will be creating a spiral tie-dye towel. Your kit will include the following: a white towel, 2 dye powder packets and 2 squeeze bottles, rubber bands, a pair of disposable gloves, and a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. The first step will be to completely wet the towel. Once the towel has been drenched, wring out as much water as possible. The damp towel will help the dye seep into the fabric. Now we will use the swirl technique to prepare the towel. Lay the towel out on a flat surface and find the center of the towel. Pinch and twist clockwise and be sure to compact the towel as much as possible when twisting. This will help exaggerate the effects of the tie-dye towel. Now that we've prepped the towel, we will use the rubber bands to secure the fabric in place. Use the 4 rubber bands provided to create a crosshair pattern. Be sure to tuck in any loose parts of the towel and compact the towel as much as possible. Next, we can prepare the dye bottles. Simply add the color powder packets to the designated squeeze bottles, fill with water, and shake the bottle till the powder has dissolved. Now that we have prepped the towel and the dye bottles, we can begin to add our colors. The 4 rubber bands can help guide you to apply the dye into a wedge-shaped section. For my towel, I'm splitting up the colors into 4 parts. Be sure to apply the same colors in the front and back of the towel. Don't worry if the colors don't stay within the sections or if one color bleeds onto another. This will help add to the uniqueness of your tie-dyed towel. Now that we've finished tie-dyeing the towel, place the dyed fabric inside of a 1-gallon Ziploc bag and let it set overnight. After letting the towel set for at least 12 hours, you can remove the towel from the Ziploc bag and begin to rinse and wring the towel to remove any excess dye. Repeat this process till the water wrung from the towel is clear with no dye. Then allow the towel to air dry outside. And here is the finished product. I hope you had fun making your own tie-dye towel, and thank you for watching.